everyone, welcome to All Things Fancy. I'm Fancy, also known as Jessica Dominguez, and today I'm going to show you what to do in between your Botox visits, or if you have a filler visit, or if you have pimples because it's that time of the month or something's going on, or you know how these things happen when you're a woman. So I'm going to go ahead and explain this to you of what to use. You're going to use something called a blur cream or a blemish cream, and my camera is on the move. So you're gonna go ahead and use this in order to fill the areas and lines. So I have a hereditary line here in my glabella. If you're in between visits, you wanna save money or you're just waiting to get your Botox money up, you're gonna put the blemish cream or blur cream like this, or you can use good old fingers. So if you see all my wrinkles, they're there, okay? So you're gonna go ahead, I apply a lot, probably not three shots. But you're gonna put this on your sponge and you're gonna blend it all the way in. Now, you can have foundation if you want on. I like to do it after moisturizer and then I put my foundation on. Some people do it before. But if you start noticing, of course, I mean, it's not gonna hide the wrinkles totally, but it will, you know, hide some of those little imperfections and lines better than they were before. So this, of course, is not going to go away totally, but if you see this here starts to disappear. Same here. You're definitely going to fill this in. It also works for under here. It works for basically anything that you want to get rid of. It's a magical product that'll get you through. It's not like 100% perfect, but it will get you through in between visits, or if you don't like to do anything to your face, then this will help give you that little subtle thing. And people will notice if you have lines here or if you get a pimple, it does blur the appearance, exactly what it says. It's a blur cream. So it does help you in between your Botox visits, Xeomin or whatever it is that you're doing. It does clear it up. So I don't know how much you can see of this, but this is how my face looks. And I think it looks way better. From up close, you can barely see the line. Now if you go like this, of course you're gonna see it, but you can keep filling it in and then put a little bit more foundation, dab it in, vice versa. If you have any other questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. This video is a little bit shorter than usual, but a lot going on. So let me know if you like this one. It's a quick tip, chic and frugal on a budget, in between Botox, or you have a blemish, blur cream helps. I like to use NYX. Even Garnier has an inexpensive one. There's tons of brands out there, but it does blur blemishes and fine lines, so it does get you through till your next visit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. When I'm loving you, but my heart don't stop.